Good day, viewers at home. This is a lesson on algebraic simplification. The questions were sent by one of our South African students, a grade 9 student, which is equivalent to JS3 here in Nigeria. So he was asked to simplify these algebraic expressions. We have 3 questions here. This is the first one, second, and third. So let's take them one after the other. Half ABC into bracket 14a squared b over c plus 8ac cubed over b minus 22c cubed b cubed over a. So how do we start? This term outside the bracket is going to be used to multiply each term in the bracket. That will be half ABC multiplied by 14a squared b over c plus half ABC multiplied by 8ac cubed over b minus half ABC multiplied by 22c cubed b cubed over a. So next we are going to divide any of those variables or numbers that can divide each other. Here we have c cancels c. 2 here, 1, 2 in 14 is 7. So we are left with what? 7. A times a squared is a raised to the power of 3. B raised to the power 1, b raised to the power 1, that is b raised to the power of 2. That's all we have for this term. Here b cancels b. 2 here, 1, 2 in 8, 4. So we are left with 4. A multiplied by a, that is a squared. C raised to the power 1, c raised to the power 3. That will be c raised to the power 4. We are going to add up the powers. Minus a cancels a here. That means we have 2 here, 1, 2 in 22, 11. So we are left with 11. B multiplied by b is b squared. C raised to the power 1, c raised to the power 3. That will be c raised to the power 4. So we can see that each of these terms is different from the other. That means we don't have like term. So because we don't have like term, that means we are going to leave this expression in this form. That is going to be our final answer. Let's take the second question. The second question says, it's also similar to the first one. 15a b squared plus 3a squared b c cubed minus 27 abc in bracket divided by 3ab. So the same thing that we did in the first question, we have to divide each of these terms by 3ab. So that will be 15ab squared over 3ab plus 3a squared bc cubed over 3ab minus 25abc over 3ab. So let's cut the like terms. A cancels a. 3 here 1, 3 in 15 is 5. We have b raised to the power 2 here, and here is b raised to the power 1. So if we take 1 from these 2, we'll be left with 1b. So this one will now be remaining 5b plus 3 cancels 3, b cancels b, a is raised to the power 1 here, a is raised to the power 2 here. Remember, in indices, when you have division, you subtract their powers. So if you take 1 from 2, you'll be left with 1. So A remains only 1. C is still C cubed, since we are not dividing C. 3 in 27, 9. A cancels A, B cancels B, we are left with only C. So this one gives us 9C. So with this, we have simplified this expression. This is going to be our final answer. Since we don't have like term, no terms are similar. This is B, this is AC cubed, this is C. So no one is similar to another. Let's take the last one. The last question here says 5b squared C minus 20b cubed C cubed plus 35b5c divided by 5b squared. So you can see this is similar to the second question. We are going to divide each term by this 5b squared. 20b cubed C cubed over 5b squared. 35 over 5b squared. So now we got 5 divides 5. B squared, B squared. Here we are left with only C. 5 in 20 is 4. If you take 2 b's out of 3, we are left with 1. Then C still remains 4bc cubed. 5 in 35 is 7. If you take 2b out of 5, it will remain 3. So we are left with 7b cubed and this C. So you can see that to simplify an algebraic expression is very, very simple. Just divide each term and then look for which number can divide which one. 5 divides 5 and so on like that. So after your division, you bring out what you have left. If there are no like terms, then there's nothing you can do further to simplify this expression. So this is going to be the final answer. Thank you.